Hey everyone, how's it going? So today we're on our way to visit the Sun Temple, which is in a little village called Konark. It's supposed to be really beautiful. A local guy I was talking to said if it wasn't for the Taj Mahal, this would be the most amazing thing in India, so it's a pretty big call. Well, yeah, so I'm looking forward to checking that out, learning a bit more about it. It's also a pretty exciting day, because today we are officially back on the east coast. If you'll remember, we started in Chennai, which is like southeast India, and now we've sort of come back down from the mountains and we are in northeastern India. So we're back on that Indian coastline. The place that we're staying tonight is a little place called Pure, and it's right on the water. So we're kind of we're on the home stretch now, which is a little sad, but it's also pretty exciting that we've actually made it this far. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day. We'll check out the Sun Temple and enjoy the east coast of India again. Hey guys, so we've arrived here in Konark at the Sun Temple.
Yes.
Got myself a guide, Sankar.
Yes. And he's my boss.
I wouldn't say that, we're friends.
I love Australian people.
Yeah.
They're very nice.
So we're going to go and have a bit of a look around the Sun Temple, and Sankar's going to explain a bit to me.
Yeah.
Looking forward to it.
This is the main entrance of the Surya Temple, elephant over the lion. All entire thing is made in single piece of rock. You know, it is called a monolithic.
Alright, so we just came through the dancing hall, the entrance to the Sun Temple. Now Sankar explained that the Sun Temple faces east, so the morning rays of the sun hit the temple. Now the three different sort of holes up there represent whether the sun is in the southern hemisphere, over the equator, or the northern hemisphere. It would come through either one of those and hit the Sun Temple. So it's pretty damn amazing. Alright, so behind me here is the main entrance to the Sun Temple. You can't actually go in there anymore. It's been filled up with sand and stones. That was done in 1903 by the British for some reason. He did explain it, but I didn't quite catch it. So, but yeah, unfortunately you can't go in anymore.
And 24 wheels represent 24 hours a day and a night. That's why you get on both sides 12 pair wheel. This side 12 and the other side 12. This side the day or that's the night.
Alright, so one of the most fascinating things that Sankar explained to me was that these big chariot wheels on this side, on the sun side, are actually sundials. Now each arm represents 3 hours. So you've got 3, 6, 9, 12 till midday, 3, 6, 9, 12 midnight. And if we have a look here, 2 o'clock, shadows sort of falling 2/3 of the way between 12 and 3. So yeah, still work to this day. Pretty bloody amazing.
Yeah, the temple was constructed by King Narasimha, the first Ganga dynasty, Ganga kingdoms.
Ganga dynasty.
It's from to the south.
In what year?
1250, middle of 13th centuries. It is near about 800 years old temple. The temple built in 3 stages because 3 stages of human life: childhood, youth, and old age. The children are getting below animal panels. Middle part of the temple, different kind of the sexual figures. On the top, spiritual for old age. That's why somebody is telling Konark it is the different stages of life.
Right, so Sankar also explained to me there used to be another part of the temple just here, which was twice the height of this bit here. So it would have been pretty amazing. Unfortunately, it fell down a number of years ago. Yeah, as well as the dancing hall, the Sun Temple, there's also these monolithic statues just sort of scattered around the grounds. It's really quite impressive. So yeah, it's a bit of a look around the Sun Temple here in Konark. Simply amazing. Just the detail in the craftsmanship, the scale, the size, the design with the sundials and the chariot wheels and the sun coming down through the entrance hall and striking the temple in the morning. Just, yeah, fantastic. All right, so we're gonna jump in the rickshaw again, head down to Pure where we'll be spending the night.